Are you looking to monetize your YouTube channel quickly in 2024? You're at the right place. We're here to guide you through the labyrinth of the YouTube landscape, illuminating the path towards the right niche for rapid monetization. Over the years, YouTube has evolved from a simple video sharing platform into a thriving ecosystem of creators, viewers, and advertisers. And in this ecosystem, there's an ever-increasing potential for creators like you to earn substantial income. But the key to unlocking this potential, it's all about the niche. Choosing the right niche is like finding the perfect soil for a seed. It can nurture your content, engage your audience, and ultimately, accelerate your revenue growth. In today's digital landscape, the right niche could make all the difference in your YouTube success. So let's dive in. Understanding emerging trends is key to finding a lucrative niche on YouTube. As we journey through 2024, we're seeing some intriguing shifts in YouTube content niches. One trend that's gaining momentum is virtual reality content. As the technology becomes more accessible, creators are diving into this immersive experience, and audiences are loving it. It's like stepping into a new world right from your living room. Another niche that's gaining traction is sustainable living. As global awareness about climate change and environmental issues increases, more and more people are seeking out content that helps them live more sustainably. This can range from DIY recycling projects to eco-friendly product reviews. The possibilities are endless. Mental health content is another emerging niche. As society becomes more open about discussing mental health, creators are stepping up to provide support, advice, and share personal experiences. This kind of content builds a strong sense of community amongst viewers, which can lead to high engagement rates. And let's not forget about the rise of remote work content. With more people working from home than ever before, there's a huge demand for content that helps people navigate this new landscape. Whether it's productivity tips, home office setups, or work-life balance advice, this niche presents a wealth of opportunities for creators. Remember, following trends doesn't mean losing your originality. It's about understanding what the audience wants and delivering it in your unique way. Now, you might be wondering which niche markets stand out for rapid monetization in 2024. Let's dive right in. Personal finance has skyrocketed as a niche, with more people seeking advice on budgeting, investing, and financial independence. Creators in this niche can monetize through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even their own financial products or services. Next up, we have e-learning. With the shift to digital, people are constantly seeking to learn new skills online. Whether it's coding, digital marketing, or even knitting, there's an audience for it. This niche can be monetized through course sales, memberships, and ad revenue. Health and wellness is another booming niche. From yoga to mental health advice to nutrition tips, this niche is all about improving quality of life. Creators can monetize through brand collaborations, selling wellness products, or offering personalized coaching. Tech reviews is a niche that never seems to fade. With new gadgets releasing every other day, viewers rely on these channels for purchasing decisions. Monetization here comes from affiliate links, sponsorships, and ads. Lastly, we have the cooking niche. With more people cooking at home, recipe and cooking tutorial channels are in demand. Monetization strategies include sponsored content, selling cookbooks, or affiliate marketing for cooking tools. The secret to success lies in finding a niche that aligns with your passion and has a high potential for monetization. So, choose wisely. That's a lot to take in, isn't it? Well, let's break it down. We've explored the rapidly changing digital landscape, the emerging trends, and the top niche markets for monetizing a YouTube channel in 2024. We've delved into the importance of aligning your interests with the current trends and how audience engagement metrics can guide your content creation strategy. But remember, this is just the beginning. Monetizing YouTube is not a sprint, but a marathon. It's about creating content you love, understanding your audience, and staying ahead of the curve. And of course, persistence is key. So why not start your journey today? Choose a niche that matches your passion, keep an eye on the trends, and start creating. With hard work and dedication, you can turn your dream into reality. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start your YouTube journey today, and who knows, you might be the next big thing. Now leave your like and subscribe to the channel for more quality content.